In this video, I'd like to briefly go over the master filter using charts. We did something similar in the previous video, but instead of a grid, I want to use a pie chart and show you some specific things you can do with a chart and how it can filter your other dashboard items. So let's go to Edit and we'll click a pie chart. And we're going to do the same type of scenario where we're going to pull over revenue for values, and the category will be arguments. So we have this pie chart where bikes is 62% of the total revenue, accessories is 2.1. Everything looks great. Now what we want to do is we want to be able to break these categories down into the individual products. So let's add a chart. And we're going to do something similar as the previous video. The values will be revenue, and the product will be the argument. And to make it easier to read, we'll go to design and rotate that. So first we need to connect the pie chart with the normal chart, and we do it the same way we did it before. We select the pie chart, go to data, and select master filter. Now you can see that the pie chart is highlighted based on the individual sections. So if we click on a section, the chart changes. It brings up all the products for that particular section. Now we can also do this with the normal chart. If we were to remove this and add a new chart, we'll drag this over to here. And we'll use the categories as the argument, revenues as the value. And we can add the current date. We'll do a quarter year. So we have a quarter year. That way we have 4 bars per category. And we'll click on this specific bar chart. Now let's select the chart, click data, and click master filter. As you can see, we can do the same thing by clicking the specific category, and it brings up the individual products. But we can also click on the target dimensions, the series. So if we have this to a quarterly, let's actually add this series to quarter year like we have this, and select that. Now we have the series selected. We can pick the individual quarters and display those quarters in the dashboard item chart 1. Now this goes across all categories, so we have all categories products here. So if we wanted to select specific points, we click the points, and we want to select this quarter for this accessory, we can click that, the products for that specific quarter in that category. So the charts really allow you to really dig down into that data a lot more than, say, the grid does, because we can set the series to a specific quarterly event or monthly or yearly.